In last decade, the liposuction has evolved on scientific, on research, and even from the patients demanding particular shape or a particular body. Because of which the manual liposuction is now rapidly getting replaced by advanced liposuction, in which energy-based devices are getting involved. By saying this, I don't recommend or I don't quote that the better results are not achieved with the manual liposuction. Even the fairly good liposuction done by the manual method or suction assisted liposuction can deliver very beautiful results. So how the energy based devices are helping us as a plastic surgeon to achieve certain goals? Let me simplify this for you. Energy based devices are basically power assisted liposuction, laser assisted liposuction, or ultrasonic assisted liposuction. Along with that, radio frequency assisted liposuction is also considered as energy based devices in advanced liposuction. The fundamental in all this energy based device liposuction remains the same. Breaking of the extracellular matrix which holds the fat cells. This breakage can be done with mechanical trauma, with ultrasonic vibration of the water bubble, with evaporation of the water bubble, either by laser energy or by radio frequency thermal energy. The moment it gets loosened up, the fat cells are more free, which can be sucked out by liposuction devices or by vacuum. So what we achieved by adding energy based device, we achieved comfort, less surgical labor, early recovery, less trauma to the skin and the muscles of the patient, less swelling, better journey, overall journey of an individual or of a patient. At the same time, with some of the energy based device, we can also achieve some good skin retraction, avoiding a scar. In my practice, after involving laser assisted liposuction and now power assisted liposuction, I am seeing patients those are undergoing major body contouring are coming back for more areas or different areas. That means they have gone through the journey, they thought or they believed or they experienced the cost effectiveness of the procedure, the pain gradient was in an okay zone or on a comfortable zone, and that's why they're coming back to us for more and more areas. Now when we say more and more areas, body contouring procedures are never an alternative to healthy lifestyle, diet and exercise. It is always complementary to diet, exercise and healthy lifestyle. Those patients on whom we operate are basically understand the importance of this, but somewhere because of the hormonal issues or because of sedentary lifestyle or because of some events in their past, they have gathered some calories on their body in the form of fat cells, and they are not getting rid of that excessive calories or excessive fat. And those are the ideal patient for body contouring. Those who understand the importance of diet, exercise and healthy lifestyle, suffering from stubborn fat or getting stuck in a vicious cycle, they come to us, and now with the use of energy based device, we can deliver some better results to them. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.